Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. Yes, yeah. What is those? Those are bike tires? This is weird. I thought this was cars. Well, there is a car, though, goes with it, but there are also two bikes. Beauties. I'm not sure I would ever want to try to ride something like that, if not even an emergency. Maybe that's why there's no chains. They sure do look like a nice piece of art, though. You made them? These fine people here made those beautiful pieces of artwork right there. Thank you for sharing. Classified Bike Club. And we'll take a look at the car they actually put in here, too. This is, even though it's not as old as these other ones, it's still an 80s car and it still has some style. Cadillac. You don't get no more style than a Cadillac, or do you? Tell me what you think in the comment section down below if you can get better style than a Cadillac. Oh, and then check this. Whoops, sorry, sir. Check this out. For everybody that loves the Joker and Harley Quinn, that is a pair of psychotic lovers, that's for sure, but they sure do love each other. They would lay their lives down for each other. Even though the Bat would rather have them in prison. Or should I say Arkham's Asylum for the criminally insane. Well, this is definitely a heck of an entry. Tell me what you think about this. What best part about it was. Which bike you liked. Anything and everything. Until next time, I'm the Bat. Freeze.